What's up, YouTube? Gonna break out my hot rod. Got a couple of these nuts loose on this Operation LS. Since we've been blessed with some beautiful weather. It's like spring in the middle of January or beginning of February. So I'm gonna break out the hot rod and see if I can break some nuts free without tearing some ish up. First, I probably gotta plug it up though. Okay, now we got action. Let's cut it on to this cherry red. And then hit her with the old nut buster. The tall baby. Okay, it's starting to smoke. Still ain't cherry red though. You know I'm black. I got smoke detector sounds leading the battery coming out of my garage, and I don't know where it's coming from. Let's give her a try. Okay, it cracked. Then I hit it with some lubricant. But the object is to get it out of the way out without it breaking. That power tool on him, got him out. Alright, 3 more to go on this side since the one at the very end already been broke. If you watch this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. More content with the hot rod coming soon. Thanks to the hot rod, I got all 3 of the rusted, crusty exhaust bolts off the head. And there they go, right there. Right there. This the rusty crusty bolt I actually bought this tool for. So I get them up out of there. I can take the whole exhaust manifold up out of there, undo the head, and get ready to pull the motor out. A couple more bolts up under there. Got to do the torque converter. The bolts blocked bolting the transmission to the motor. I took out 2 of them. Got like 3 more to go. Well, the tool turning red. I don't know if the bolt I needed to turning red, but shit. I think this tool is undoing itself. Maybe it has a limited number of bolts it can do, but shit, it's getting hot. So that means the part I need to get hot is getting hot. Yeah, that thing was just cherry red. I'm about to start removing it. This thing's gonna be a fight. Man, that bolt giving me hell. I'm gonna try to get it red hot, then throw my deep dish socket that's made for rounded off corners. This one should be easy because they all look clean. They was just fucking tight. I couldn't get them loose, but ain't none of them stripped. So I know when I put that heat on them, they should come loose easy. 2 bolts at the top of the transmission. And if I can see them when I pull the heads off on top, I'm gonna take them off up top and then just pull the whole engine out.